do a quick video on repairing or changing out the gaskets on your hoses. I think I got something in here. Yeah. This the 1/4-inch charging hose, 19020. Like Yellow Jacket. I got to get in a better habit of changing my hoses. These, I usually just buy a new pair when they get old, but I have to be more conservative than that and start changing these out. You see that one? That one getting bad right there. On my high side, let's take the low side out. Low side is kind of nicked up too. Check. This one don't look too bad, but can also be changed out. Let's check these. These are a lot older. No, these but I need change. Yeah, look how bad that is. So you know you can't pull a good vacuum with that. Low side 8 up. See that? Can't pull a good vacuum. But also, I'm gonna stop using my hoses to pull a vacuum. So I got my rig set up. Bought me a new bag for it too. I have a special bag just for my for number vacuum. Change my oil out. I got my Yellow Jacket. I'm gonna get the 1/2-inch hose too, but these came with it. I got about 3 sets of these. What is the 3/8 1/4? But I'm gonna get them big boys, the APPARELs, to go with that also. Give me a couple sets of those. Like I said, they're gonna be everything vacuum. Everything I need a vacuum on. Changing the ports out. More caps. And a couple keys in there. So one more thing came with that setup. The Yellow Jacket core removers came with that setup too. Paid like $230 for that this whole setup. But I decided to get my needle nose though to change these out. And I just grab this little valve stem deal here and just pull it right out of there. And that should come out with it. So it should come out right there. Like I said, I think I paid about $8 for these. They come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 pack. Yeah, 10. So with and all I'm gonna change. I never really take these off. I'm gonna take a look at them, but shouldn't have to change those out. Stick that right back in there like that. Stick that right down in there. Alright, see, that's a fresh set. See, you can charge a unit up with the old gasket, but you sure can't pull a vacuum with it on there. And even when your gauges be leaking, this part of the gauge don't never leak. It's the gasket you gotta change out. That's what caused the leaks. That's how bad that one is. That's what caused the leak. I think the hot side always be the worst one. It gets so hot. I think if you screw it in there, it'd be a little more tighter. I use this. Screw and press down. Alright, that's there. Get all these changed out. I got another set up there too I'm gonna change out. So yeah, we need to get in the habit of trying to change these out probably at least every once a month. These ain't but $8. And I got one, let me see. I lost my port for this one. In fact, I'm gonna eat that one probably. And that vacuum don't come with no greater stem. Got some new ones right here for this. See if we can get it out there. That's the wrong size for this. Yeah, I think these for a 1/2 inch hose. I don't even have a 1/2 inch. Yeah, I think these for them 1/2 inch. APPAREL. I think this is, yeah, these 3/8. So I'm gonna pick up some 3/8 so I can change those out. Alright, we out though. We expect people.